Do you want to grow your YouTube channel and get more views? Allow us to introduce you to VidIQ, a tool designed specifically to aid content creators on their journey to success. With VidIQ, you can unlock the secrets of increasing your views and expanding your YouTube channel. This tool provides valuable insights and strategies derived from data-driven decisions. So, are you ready to elevate your content game? Stay tuned if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level with VidIQ. Now let's delve into the process of using VidIQ. First things first, you'll need to download and install the VidIQ extension. It's quite straightforward, really. Simply head over to the VidIQ website or the Chrome Web Store and click on the Add to Chrome button. Follow the prompt to install it onto your browser. Once installed, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. This allows VidIQ to sync with your YouTube channel. After you've got VidIQ up and running, it's time to take a deep dive into keyword research. VidIQ is a fantastic tool for this, as it provides a comprehensive list of recommended keywords based on your video content. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly what people are searching for on YouTube. Simply type in a keyword related to your video, and VidIQ will give you a list of similar, high-performing keywords. This can greatly help in optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags, making your content more discoverable. But the magic of VidIQ doesn't stop there. This tool also gives you unparalleled insights into your competitors' performance. You can see their most used keywords, view counts, and other important metrics. This information is invaluable as it allows you to understand what works for successful channels in your niche. By analyzing these insights, you can identify areas of improvement for your own channel. Finally, it's worth mentioning that VidIQ also offers a suite of features to help you optimize your YouTube channel. It provides suggestions for the best times to post, helps you manage your comments, and even offers a thumbnail comparison tool. These features are designed to help take your channel to the next level. In essence, VidIQ is like having a personal YouTube coach. It's there to guide you, offering insights and suggestions to help you grow your channel. From keyword research to competitor analysis, VidIQ provides the tools you need to optimize your content and reach a larger audience. So that's how you can utilize VidIQ to optimize your YouTube channel and get more views. But that's not all. VidIQ has a lot more to offer. As we delve deeper into the world of VidIQ, we find a treasure trove of features designed to help you understand your channel's performance. One of these is the ability to provide real-time analytics. Imagine having a finger on the pulse of your channel 24/7, being able to monitor views, watch time, and engagement as they happen. This feature allows you to react promptly to trends and make adjustments to your content strategy on the fly. Next up is the SEO scorecard. Think of it as your personal YouTube SEO consultant. It provides a detailed breakdown of how well your video is optimized for search engines, highlighting areas for improvement. By leveraging this scorecard, you can significantly increase your video's visibility and discoverability. Don't forget the video scorecard. This is your comprehensive report card on every single video you upload. It provides a wealth of information including audience retention, engagement rate, and even how your video compares with others in your niche. With this scorecard, no stone is left unturned. Every aspect of your video's performance is laid bare for your review and action. VidIQ isn't just about providing data, it's about providing actionable insights. It's about helping you understand what works, what doesn't, and what steps you can take to enhance your channel's performance. With these features, VidIQ truly becomes a powerful companion for any YouTube content creator. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We've delved into the world of VidIQ, a powerful tool that can boost your YouTube channel's performance. We've walked through the step-by-step process of using VidIQ, from installation to setting up your dashboard and customizing it to suit your needs. We've also explored the key features of VidIQ. Remember, it provides robust analytics, keyword research, and competitor tracking. We've seen how these features can give you the insights you need to create content that resonates with your audience, optimize your videos for search, and stay ahead of the game. In essence, VidIQ is a comprehensive tool for anyone looking to grow their YouTube channel. It offers a myriad of features designed to help you understand your audience better, strategize your content, and ultimately increase your views and subscribers. So are you ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level with VidIQ? Start today and watch your views and subscribers increase like never before. All the content, including images, videos, and audio used in this video, are copyright-free or have the necessary permissions for use on YouTube. Before we wrap up, we have a few things to ask of you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Your likes help us understand what content you find valuable and help us reach more people like you. If you know anyone else who could benefit from using VidIQ, don't hesitate to share this video with them. We're here to help as many content creators as possible grow their YouTube channels. And lastly, if you want to stay updated with more content like this, hit that subscribe button. We regularly post videos on YouTube growth strategies, SEO tips, and much more. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep growing with VidIQ.